Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can share any file or folder from your Google Drive to any other recipient using a link. So first of all, we will need to navigate to our Google Drive either using the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. So once you land on the Google Drive homepage, you can click on this My Drive option right here to make navigation to the file easier. So for example, I want to share any PDF file. For example, let's say this PDF file to some other person. All I need to do is click on these three vertical buttons right here. And from here, I can choose this share button. I need to hover my cursor over it. And from here, I can see this copy link button. Simply click on this copy link button. And here you can see that the link has been copied. Then all you need to do is click on this manage access option, which will appear here. So from here you can see that since the general access has been restricted, you can choose this to anyone with the link. So what will happen that anyone with this link will be able to access your folder, although it is currently set to viewer, so they will only be able to view it but not make any changes to your folder. So once you have done these two settings, all you need to do is click on this copy link button right here, and the recipient will now be able to view your documents or the file or folder that you have shared. Then once you've copied the link, simply click on this done button and the dialog box will disappear. So to test it out, let's open any incognito window and see if this works or not. So I will just simply paste the link that we just made and just copied, and I'll press the enter button, and here you can see that I can simply and very easily access the file that I just shared. I can also choose to download it or print it or perform other operations like find anything from this file or see its details, or I can also choose to embed them. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.